Hi everyone. Today we are going to see automata theory. One of the example Turing machine for the language A power n B power m. Okay, we needed to construct the Turing machine for the language A power n B power m. Okay, so any number of A's and any number of B's, n number of A's and n number of B's can be accepted by the machine. Okay. Um, so here we start with the initial state A. Any number of A's can be accepted by the machine, right? So A and B could be accepted. Therefore, we need at least 4 states, right? At least 2 number of A's and 2 number of B's means at least we need 4 states, right? So we construct with the 4 states now. Our input tape is an infinite tape. Okay, so first we can draw an input tape with the infinite tape. First, the Q naught is the initial state. It could read A. Okay, and after transition it becomes X. The output is X. Okay, input tape given the string A, and after the transition it becomes X and it moves right. Okay, so what is the symbol in the right hand side? B is the symbol in the right hand side. So again it reads B, okay, and moves and it gives the output Y and moves left. Okay, so many number of A's and B's, right? A and B only there, but many times it can repeat, right? So now the state is Q1. When it reads B and gives the output, it moves to the next state Q2. Okay, it moves to the next state Q2 and moves left. Okay, the right side only we have a blank symbol, right? So here A, many number of A's in this loop, B and many number of B's in this loop. Okay, so now it's actually B. Many number of B's in this loop. Okay, so again it comes to the initial state. Again it takes many number of A's on A and moves to the next state, and here it can takes many number of A's and again it takes B and it takes many number of B's. Okay, so again it comes to the initial state and then it takes the blank symbol and then it takes the blank symbol or the output symbol. Okay, output symbol. So in next blank symbol can be read by the machine and moves to the next state, final state Q4. Okay ma. So final state it could reach at last after reading the blank symbol. Okay, so now the string A power and B power can be accepted by the machine because the input tape is blank now. Okay, so on example we can take a symbol AABB for example. Okay, it's an acceptable one because A power any number of A's and any number of B's can be accepted by the machine, but number of A's and number of B's are equal because A power n, B power n, both are n. Okay, number of A's and number of B's can be equal, but any number of times of A and number of times of B, same number of times of B. Okay, so here Q0 is the current state. It takes the symbol A. Here this is the move and reach to the Q1 and again it takes A. It forms a loop. Okay, and next it takes B. It goes to the Q2. That only here mentioned in the next time steps. This is the time step 1. It takes A. Here this is the time step B. Time steps 2. It reach to the state Q1. From Q0 it takes the symbol A. Okay, it's in the same state itself. because it takes the self loop. Okay, this is the time step 2, and the next time step 3, it goes to the next state, next string B. It reads the B string and reach it to the Q2 state, and next from Q2 it takes the symbol B. Again it takes A, sorry. Again it takes A because it moves left. It's possible, right? That is one of the possibility. It moves left means it takes the symbol A. So it forms a self loop. It's in the same state Q2 itself. Now it takes the symbol Y. Okay, now it takes a symbol Y. The symbol Y already been read by the machine. So it's an output one. Okay, so it again it moves to the blank state only because already it's blank. It already been read. Okay, so now it reached to the final state Q4. Okay, after reading the blank symbol it reached to the final state Q4. Okay, the time again and again it the same can be repeated. Okay, it reached to the whatever the possibilities. Okay, that possibilities can be explained in each time steps. Okay, so now here it reads the x can be already read by the machine, so it reached to the initial state again. Okay, and here moves right means it can takes the symbol Y. Any way it can move. The read write head can move both left and right. When it reads left, what will happen, and when it reads right, what will happen? Okay, so here it moves right. It takes the symbol Q naught. Okay, it's in the same state Q naught, and again it reached to the Q3 state. Okay, so here it takes again it moves right and it takes the symbol next symbol Y and moves right. It's in the same state Q3 itself. Okay, so now finally it reads the blank symbol. Okay, and reach to the final state. It reach to the final state and reads the blank symbol. So now when it reads the blank symbol, the string can be accepted by the machine. Okay, the machine halts when it reads blank, the machine halts and accepts the language. Okay, the same construction is for a power n, b power n and c power n too. Okay, so thank you.